All new at 6, a major bank has suspended taking loan applications from a Metro car dealer. Wells Fargo also now investigating its business relationship with Lawrence Kia Mitsubishi. This comes after a 41 Action News I-Team report uncovered the dealership may have submitted hundreds of falsified applications to lenders. Andy Alcock has this exclusive update.
I've been pretty distressed. This is stressful.
Sasha Jefferson is a past Lawrence Kia customer. She found out last fall the dealership inflated the income on her loan application from $3,103 to $4,403. Her lender, Wells Fargo Auto, sent her a letter last December 5th verifying her complaint. The letter states in part, "We want to assure you that this experience will be shared with the appropriate parties, and this will be addressed appropriately." Jefferson still had concerns when we spoke with her in March.
If my application would have been audited, it would have looked like I lied. It would have looked like I committed fraud.
Now, more than 6 months after Jefferson received her letter and after we sent questions to Wells Fargo this week, the bank responded. An email from Representative Julie Fulgerson reads in part, "Our investigation into this situation is ongoing, and we have suspended accepting applications from this dealership." Longtime criminal defense attorney and former prosecutor James Spees said Jefferson's complaint should have raised awareness to a potential problem for Wells Fargo months ago.
They recognize that there is a problem, and they are investigating. They have certainly taken the responsible step to stop accepting loans from this dealership.
Herb Vance experienced a similar issue in his dealings with Lawrence Kia, only with a different bank. The retiree reported his monthly income was $2,000. But the dealer told his lender, Santander Consumer, it was $9,961, resulting in a nearly $1,000 monthly payment. Vance complained to Santander.
You still have a document with my name on it that's fraudulent. And it was like, oh well.
The I-Team uncovered Santander Consumers had previous issues with car loans. In 2017, the Massachusetts Attorney General announced a $22 million settlement with Santander for what she called unfair and unaffordable auto loans for thousands of car buyers. The news release said in part, loan applications submitted to the company by car dealers were incorrect and often inflated. We reached out to Santander on Wednesday, but have not yet received a response.
You can't help but look at past behavior and ask yourself, is this simply the same thing taking place now 3 years later in a different state?
Mark Kavanaugh is a former Lawrence Kia employee who left there in April because he said the dealership's business practices were affecting his reputation. Kavanaugh believes lenders do have some responsibility in accepting what he claims were hundreds of falsified deals.
If the banks ever ask for proof of income, which most of them do not do, if you've got marginally good credit, they're going to approve you and they're going to take for word whatever the dealership sends over for income.
As for Wells Fargo's policy on proof of income for car loans, Fulgerson wrote it's only required in certain situations. I'm investigator Andy Alcock, 41 Action News.
We also reached out to Ally Bank about its dealings with Lawrence Kia Mitsubishi. The response states in part, any customers with concerns about their loans could call Ally's customer service line at number 888-925-2559. We also reached out to Lawrence Kia Mitsubishi's attorney for updated comment on the Wells Fargo actions. So far, no response.